Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day, and I'm here with an unboxing slash review sort of video today. Look, I don't really know if I can explain it like to the T, but something, it's a product that I would prefer to use instead of wearing a bra, if that makes sense. Because like we all know that I'm very, very small chested, like I'm an A. Going to a B, depending on the cycle that I'm in, but I'm normally an A, and I hate wearing bras because one, there's like nothing to cover, literally nothing to feel when it comes to a bra, and I find them like also very uncomfortable, unless it's a bralette, but even then I just don't like wearing anything. I like my tits to be free. To be a better sense to put it in, I guess. Look, each to their own, but I prefer to use this product compared to wearing a bra. I have heaps of bras, but the thing is, like, I don't wear my bras out because, you know, one, they're uncomfortable, and two, it's just like, what's the point of wearing a bra when there is literally nothing to fill the bra in with? And unfortunately, when it comes to women's clothing, the material isn't of a good quality thickness where you don't really have to wear a bra. You can just be free. Unfortunately, that's not the case, because half of the material that, you know, women's clothing are made out of are like thin as fuck, and you can see everything underneath it. So like, you have to wear a bra, and it's annoying, and then bras are expensive, and like every year you have to replace your bras, and like it's just a complicated situation that I don't like being in. And people are still uncomfortable about the whole freeing your tits sort of regime. So, you know, anyways, let's get to the unboxing and review. So I was lucky enough to be sent a product from Bzez, and it's a cup which, like, it's like your chicken fillets. Probably like the best way to actually describe it. It's like a chicken fillet, but obviously not like the silicone sort of material that they're normally made out of, or like the nipple pasties. So that's what it is. It's a chicken fillet, but of different sort of material. Probably like the best way to put it. And I feel like these ones definitely last longer than your usual chicken fillets, because like chicken fillets, with them being that silicone sort of product, is it the best way to describe it? Probably not. They don't last as long because like shit just sticks to it, and it's a gross feeling to have, because you're literally feeling like you have chicken fillets on your tits. Best way to put it, literally best way to put it, chicken fillets on your tits. So they were kind enough to send me one of their cups. They have two sorts of cups, so they're like two colors, and obviously a different variety of sizes, because each tit is different, or each boob is different, and you know, one size does not fit all. They have a small, medium, and large. So small goes from A to B, medium is B to C, and L is C to D. And they have obviously the nude color, and they also have a black color as well. It's a small packet, which I love, and it comes in a little bag, which is great because it means that you can just easily pop them back into the bag and store them away. And they look like this. Wait, which way? This way. Like that. They are literally the texture of like a t-shirt bra, which is really good. So it means that, you know, the texture works with clothing, and it is comfortable, and it's not a weird feeling on your skin like the silicone nipple pasties that you get, and that just stick to clothing as well, and stick to everything. So this is really good. So it's like it's literally just like a normal t-shirt bra that you have. The only thing is it doesn't have straps. Simple as that. And then obviously the back, you get the plastic cover to protect obviously the sticky part that goes into your skin, and then thank God it has part in the middle, obviously where your nipple goes. It has nothing on it, which means nothing gets stuck to your nipple, and you don't have to rip anything off like a band-aid, like most nipple pasties. Thank God. And then obviously you just stick it on like that. Easy. And what's good about this though is like you can put it in different directions. So depending on what you're wearing, So nipples are there. Depending on what you're wearing, clothing wise, you can stick it to however works with what you're wearing. So you can either have it like, you know, in that way, you can have them up, down, to the side. It doesn't matter, like it's a very diverse sort of cup that just works with not only your boob, but also the clothes that you're wearing, which I think is really handy. So you can kind of contour it with your clothes, contour your boob with your clothes, and not have to worry about having a slip or anything like that. And also in the box, it also comes with obviously the care instructions, which is definitely needed when it comes to nipple pasties, because like majority of the time I feel like you just don't know what to do with your nipple pasties and you wear them once and then that's it. Or like you don't know how to look after them properly, and so they just, you know, you don't get as much use out of them when you need to. Like you could be spending up to like $50 on chicken fillets, nipple pasties, and only have up to 2 uses out of them if you don't know how to look after them. And the good thing about this one is like you can get up to 6 to 8 hours of use in them, and you can wash them. So in order to obviously clean them, that's a new one. Washing your cups will revive the glue and make sure to always store your cups with a protective film cover when dry. So technically what it is saying is that you get up to, what, around like 50 uses out of this if you take care of them properly, obviously. If you don't take care of them, you're not going to get as much use out of them. So they do say, yeah, it's reusable up to 50 times. It is sweat resistant, molds to your natural breast, won't strip off any tan, it's hypoallergenic, gives you discreet coverage, it's comfortable, it can be placed in any direction, it's easy to remove. It literally is easy to remove. It's easy to remove and easy to put on, which is what you want. And the good thing is, like, it does support. It gives you enough support that you don't have to worry about anything drooping or like slagging around. I think it's like, it's good because you can wear this with absolutely anything. Yeah, with just a blazer. Or if you have really tight dresses or like bodysuits, you just put it on, you don't have to worry about getting nipple pasties. And like the one thing that I know about with like nipple pasties, especially with nipple pasties and tight dresses, that like the nipple pasties just stand out too much, whereas this will be a literal, just I guess like second boob without the nipple. And so you don't have to worry about, you know, anything showing when it comes to tight clothing or see-through clothing, and you can wear it with open shirts as well, so you don't slip anything out, which is like, I think is like the best thing about them, and like why I love like chicken fillets on nipple pasties, because they're just comfortable. You don't have to worry about, you know, showing anything, and you don't have to worry about the pain of a bra as well. And the one thing I hate about bras is, especially when they dig in, and you're just like, I can't wear anything tight, because you can just see the outline of the bra. So that's the good thing about this, is like you literally don't see anything. You don't see an outline of anything. It's just, it covers your boob, it covers your nipples, and you're fine, you're safe. And obviously with the right care, if you wash it properly and you let them dry properly, you'll get up to like 50 uses, maybe even more out of it. And it is great for sensitive skin too. Like I find that a lot of the time when it comes to those nipple pasties, because they are like just, they're literally just a band-aid. You rip it off and you get irritation around the whole area, which isn't comfortable and it isn't nice. And like it just works with everything. No matter what you're wearing, you can just wear it. If you're just wearing a t-shirt, just put it on and you're good to go. And you get literally a whole day's use out of it. You can go to work with it on, and then you're good to come home, take it off, and you just look after it properly, and you're set. You're set. You don't have to worry about throwing it out. Like, I would say you probably get more use of that compared to having a bra. Potentially. It's a weird thing to sit down and review, not gonna lie. Not saying that I'd be like, yes, let's talk about my tits. Let's talk about like things that I put on my boobs. But like literally the application is so fucking easy, I'm not gonna lie. Just take it off like that. Don't rip the plastic part. Don't do that. Don't rip the plastic part, but you just take it off and you can see like the glue is on there. And it's like, it's extremely sticky. And it's as easy as, you literally just pop it on and you're good to go. Easy like that. Done. And you're protected. And there's no nipple and there's nothing, and like even with an open shirt like this, you can't see anything. And it just sits there. It doesn't move, doesn't go anywhere, it doesn't feel like it's gonna come off. It's great. Fucking great. Love it. And then you just easily just peel it off. Like so. And you stick the sticky thing back on. And luckily it comes with 2 sticky parts. So like an extra one, so if you're like me and you rip it, you can just easily put it back on. So yeah, I will have a discount code. The discount code will be in the description below. So if you want to get some, I really do recommend, if you're a female, definitely get some, because like it's just so much easier and it's more practical than a bra, and you feel more confident than going out like without either a bra on or wearing a bra that just doesn't feel right on you. And if you don't want to wear a bra but you want to go out, you just put that on. So I definitely recommend it. It's always good to have on hand like chicken fillets or like nipple pasties, just in case. Always good, always good. And like wouldn't suggest going to anything else besides the Bzez cups, just because like again you get up to 50 uses out of it, super easy to clean, and you can clean it. That's the positive part, like you can clean it and you don't have to worry about it becoming unsticky, and it's literally the same texture as a t-shirt bra, and you don't have to worry about, you know, having sensitive skin and there being a reaction after you use it, and your nipples are actually protected because there's no sticky part on it, so you're not ripping off a band-aid. So would highly recommend investing into a Bzez cup, whether like, you know, you might not get use out of it, but you might get use out of it. It's something just to have on hand just in case, or if you don't like wearing bras like me and have smaller cups, it's like the best solution to, you know, wearing a bra. Easy as that. Thanks guys for watching, greatly appreciate it for the small review unboxing. I hope you appreciate it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share, and follow my social medias down below. Obviously if you want to use the discount code you can. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.